Hey guys, so we have another weekend. So what you would like to have this weekend? Can you give me a guess? Well, I have a good fan of mine who's been watching all my recipes and he's requested me for a chocolate brownie cake. So what I'm going to make is a double chocolate chip brownie cake, and this is for him. His name is Almazi. He's a doctor, single, available and handsome. So if you guys want his phone number, do not hesitate to ask me. Leave a message in the comment box and I'll surely share it with you. So let's start with the cake. So guys, before starting assembling the cake, do not forget to preheat your oven for 180 degrees for at least 20-30 minutes, so that when you throw in the cake batter, it will start cooking. And this is a pan I have. So you have to oil your pan, oil it properly, all the sides so that nothing sticks. And this is approximately for a 2 kg cake. So we're going to have a 2 kilo chocolate brownie chip cake. So what I have here is 3 eggs, a cup of oil, unsweetened chocolate cocoa powder. We have 250 ml of buttermilk. That's just curd along with water diluted. 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of chocolate chip. We have a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of instant coffee powder. Why do I put the coffee powder? It's to give the chocolate intense aroma, intense taste. We have 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence, 1.5 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1.5 tablespoon of baking soda. And we have already put chocolate fermenting in bain-marie. So let's get started. So guys, I'm going to take 2 bowls, one to mix the wet ingredients and one to mix the dry ingredients. So let's start with the dry ingredients. What I have is 2 cups of flour. Let's pour it in. So we have 2 cups of flour. And we have the cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. And then we have the baking powder and the baking soda. At the same time, we just throw in the salt, and we have all the dry ingredients ready. Just mix it well. Very well blended together. It's good for now. Now let's start with the wet ingredients. So now we are starting with the wet ingredients. So we take a cup of sugar, 1 cup of oil, and we start mixing it. Mix the sugar and the oil. Make sure that it's well blended. At the same time, you can add the buttermilk, 250 ml. Keep blending all ingredients together. Start breaking the eggs. Guys, make sure that everything is well blended. There's no lumps. Everything is well mixed. The second egg, 1 by 1, is much better. It's very easy to make cake with a lockdown period. We are a bit stressed. We don't know what's going to happen. So I guess chocolate is what we need. It relaxes us, soothes our nerves. What I use is extra black chocolate, which is very good for your nervous system and makes you happy also. So yeah, everything is blended. Add 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence and the coffee, instant coffee, which I diluted, little water. Mix everything well. The chocolate is also melting, and we will start mixing. So guys, my chocolate is melted. Just drop it in and start mixing. Just keep blending so all the chocolate gets mixed up properly. Then no lumps are left. So as you can see, the chocolate is well blended with all the wet ingredients. So what you can see is a nice chocolate feel, a smooth silky feel. We will start pouring in the dry ingredients. So let's go little by little, say cup by cup. Don't put everything at the same time. Color is changing. Make sure that there are no lumps left. More. Please start pouring. The batter ready to go, greased. So guys, as you can see, we have just removed the cake from the oven. So a very simple test to see if your cake is cooked is to just pierce your knife right in between, and if it comes out clean, that means your cake is well cooked. You can see it's well clean. So now you have to leave this cake to cool down at least for an hour or 2 before removing it. The best thing is to remove it tomorrow, and you will feel that the cake has got a better taste.